this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you something to try if you have no signal or a black screen on your PlayStation 4. So my PS4 is turned on right now. You can see this light that's kind of like, I don't know, pink or something. Just hold down the power button right here. So we're going to hear one beep initially, and then we're going to hear another beep coming up. And this will turn off our PlayStation 4 and the light's going to blink. Now, assuming that the HDMI cable that you're using is good, try a different one or flip the PlayStation end into the TV and the TV end into your PlayStation and just completely flip it around. Also, make sure you're in the correct TV source. Go to TV input. Look at the back of the TV where the PlayStation 4 is plugged in. It should say 1, 2, or 3, or 4. And then go to that TV source 1, 2, or 3, or 4. Now with our PlayStation 4 turned off, hold down the power button. And you're going to hear one beep initially, and then about 10 seconds later, you're going to hear another beep. And this is going to launch your PlayStation 4 into safe mode. Now, if you see something on your screen, this is because the resolution on your TV was not supported by the PlayStation 4 at the moment. So a lot of times, I'll be bringing my PlayStation to maybe like a hotel or something like that. And the TV doesn't have the same resolution that my PS4 was set to. And that is why I get no signal or something like that. So connect your controller now with a cable. Press the PlayStation button, go down to change resolution. And right here, this is where we can actually reset our TV settings so we can actually get a supported resolution. So I suggest never setting your resolution to the specific amount. Just set it to automatic, and then you should be good to go whenever you switch your PS4 to a new TV or new setup or display. So assuming that everything is good with your TV, just check this and make sure the HDMI cable on the back of the PlayStation isn't damaged in any capacity. And then just check this to see if this is causing the issue, an unsupported resolution. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.